Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my winter morning time skincare routine. So most of you guys requested my skincare routine. So yes, in today's video I'm going to show you guys what are all the products that I use to make my skin healthy and what is the order to use it. So before 15 days I had a lot of breakouts, a lot of pimples and so many bad things happening to my face. But now it's getting settled, it's getting good because of the products that I use. It's personally my choice. All the products worked well for me and that is why I am showing this skincare routine to you all. It might not work for some of you guys, it completely depends on the skin type. So yes, if you want to know my skincare routine and how I use all the products and the order to use it, just keep on watching. The very first step is cleansing. I am using liquid Neutrogena face wash. This is very good for all skin types, especially for dry skin. I have dry skin, so I am using this. I just apply this on my wet face and I just wash it like in a circular motion. This face wash has become my very favorite face wash. Once I finished applying that all over my face, I just wash it and pat dry my face. The second step is face pack. I am using a Biotic Bio Fruit face pack. I am loving this face pack really so much. It kind of detan your face, but there are so many people who doesn't like this product, so it's just my favorite. This is what I use. So if you have sensitive skin or you have any allergy to any of the product, just do a patch test and then use this. Actually guys, the first two steps I have done it at the end because I missed the footage, so I have re-recorded it. Then I am using a Kara hydrating and cleansing tissue. It's not that you should use this product, you can also just wash it with the water, but I personally feel like doing this. And also you need not use all the products that I am using in this video. It's up to your skin type. All the products I am using in this video are like my really favorite products. That is why I am showing this to you, and I can definitely feel the difference once I started following the skincare routine. And I have a combination skin which gets really dry during winter time. The third step is exfoliating. Exfoliating is really very important. I am using Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. You can definitely use this for daily purpose guys, because it does not have large exfoliating particles. It does have only very tiny exfoliating particles, which helps really good in eliminating the blackheads. The second part of exfoliating is exfoliating your lips. This is also very important. I am using Himalaya lip balm and applying that all over my lips and brush out the dead skin cells on your lip, and that's what I do. You can do this like once in 3 days. That's really very much enough. The fourth step is toning. For that I am using Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. Toning is really important guys. You might think of skipping this step, but it's really important. It removes the excess oil and dirt, but make sure you're not going near your eyes because it might dry out and that might look bad. I love using that all over my face except my under eyes and near my eye area. After that I am using Biotic Hydrating Serum and applying that all over my face. I am applying that in the patting motion, but I'm not rubbing my face. It really helps hydrating my face and also it helps in reducing aging. Sixth step, part 1 of moisturizing. I am using Vadi under eye cream. It's a herbal product. I'm applying that under my eye like in 3 dots and I just blend it in. Like I just massage my under eye, so it makes sure that my under eyes are well moisturized. Part 2 of moisturizing, and that is moisturizing my face. For that I am using Patanjali moisturizer. It has shea butter, which is a very good ingredient. I am loving this moisturizer really so much and I apply that all over my face. If you want ultra moisturizing, then you can go for Cetaphil or some other moisturizer that you usually use. I just make it dry for up to 20 seconds and then only I go for the next step. And the seventh step is sunblock. For that I'm using VLCC Matte Look Sunscreen Lotion. It has SPF 30, so it's a very good sunscreen. So I'm just applying this all over my face and I just blend it in. You can use this sunblock only when you're going out.
Moving on to the last and third part of moisturizing, which is moisturizing your lips. For that, I'm using the Vedic Line Orange Lip Balm. So it smells really amazing, and I just take that on the back of my finger and apply that all over my lips. I just use a lot of lip balm. So yes, this is how my face looks once I finish my skincare routine. I can definitely see a very big difference, guys. Trust me.
So yes guys, this is my winter skincare routine, morning skincare routine. So as soon as I wake up in the morning, all these things I just do to make sure that my skin is healthy. Also, I will be uploading my winter nighttime skincare routine, which is very simple. So yes guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe below and tap on the bell icon to be notified for each and every video that I'll be uploading hereafter. And this is my new year makeup look. I have already uploaded this video. I'll just put that in the cards. If you want to check out that video, just click on the cards. Bye guys, see you all in the next video.